Hello and welcome to this drawing tutorial. In this video, you will learn to create a new drawing from a part or an assembly and place different views on a drawing sheet. To start, open up the part that is attached to this activity. Once this part is open, go to the Workspaces menu and navigate to Drawings. A flyout will appear. Select the From Design option to get the drawing started. Keep all the default options to the Create Drawing dialog and select OK. Because you used the From Design option, the Base View command is already active. Switch the style from Visible and Hidden Edges to Visible Edges, but keep all the other defaults. Move your cursor to the top left of the screen and click to place the base view. Once the view is placed, select OK to finish this view. Now that you have your first view, you will start creating other views based off this one. In the ribbon, you can see the different view types that you can use. First, select the Projected View command and select the base view you just created. Pull the cursor away from the base view to see the preview of the projected view. You will notice as you move the cursor around the page that the preview updates based on your cursor's position. Move the cursor to the right of the base view and click to place the new projected view. Now click the green check mark to finish the projected view. Next, you will make a section view. Select the Section View command and select the projected view you just created. Hover your cursor over the center of the projected view until you see a triangle that shows you are at the midpoint. Drag your cursor up to just above the part and click. Now pull the cursor down to create a vertical line through the middle of the part. Click the cursor right below the part and select the green check mark that is right over your line. Pull the cursor to the right to see the preview and click to place the view. Without changing any of the defaults, click OK to the Section View dialog to finish the view. Next, you will create another section view from the base view you created. Select the Section View command again, and this time select the base view. For this section, you are going to create a line right over the left foot. Select a point to the left of the foot, and then move the cursor to the right to make a horizontal line. Click the cursor on the right side of the foot, and then click the right mouse button again, and click Continue. This time, pull the cursor down to create a section showing the cutouts and holes in the foot, and click to place it right below the base view. Since this view looks a little small, change the view scale in the Section View dialog to 1:1. Then click OK to finish the view. Last, you are going to use the Detail View. Select the Detail View command in the ribbon and select the base view again to start a new detail view. Next, hover your cursor over the top hole until you see a green circle showing that you are over the center of the hole. Click on the center and then pull your cursor away to show a circle that is being created. Click above the hole to create the circle, then move the preview down to just below the projected view. Click to place the view, and since this view is also small, change the scale to 2:1. Now click OK to finish the view. You have now completed placing views in a drawing. Now you know how to create a new drawing in all the basic drawing views. Thanks for watching.